shift. What does that look like? The bearish market structure shift. What does that look like conceptually? Well, you have the market trading higher, short-term little retracement, then it trades above an old high or the initial short-term high that it trades above here, and then it breaks down. Once that low is broken, that's when the new trade idea is now being birthed. The market will see a price delivery of a rally above an old high or highs and then quickly shift lower. That's this right here. Now, the significance I'm placing on the term quick is linked directly to the term displacement. Okay, it's got to be energetic. It can't be a little lethargic little move. It's got to show a real willingness to want to go lower and preferably close below that. If it does that, that to me is a little bit more significant. Whereas if we just go through this low a little bit like a wick and come back up, that to me is not all that convincing. I want to see that it has absolutely displaced and then the candle closed, and then we look inside this range here. So when we create that high down to the low that breaks the short-term low here, so now we have that shift in market structure there, right below that low, that is the displacement low. This is your displacement high. So what you have in between that range, that right there, you're going to be hunting your fair value gaps because that's exactly where it's going to form. So that range between here and here, that's displacement. How do you know it's displacement? How it closes down here below that low. Is it just a real short little drop below it? It might have a fair value gap, but it also might be likely to go higher and create another high. So this is the secret to it here, knowing how we trade below that and if it's energetic, a lot of movement, a big beefy bearish candle that closes low below this level right there. Okay, if we have that, as soon as we have that candle form, start watching to see if it creates a fair value gap in between this low and this candle's high. Every single trading day, okay? Every single trading day, this pattern forms. Are you telling? Yes, I'm telling you just like that. Long and short. But you have to look for it with this process.